This is crazy. Recently I spoke about our feel, and there was mixed emotions, to be honest, with everybody. But I'm saying this to say that if you stay quiet, they say you're soft, they say you're weak, they say you're pitiful. If you speak out, they say you're vulgar, they say you're loud, and you don't know what you're saying. If you dress nice, they'll probably say you're too bossy or you show off. So what can you do? Nothing to please anybody. Jesus Christ, the Lord and our Savior. Get fighting. You have to realize there's going to become a day when it's just not happening. But sometimes you just want to continue doing what you love and chase. It's not like say you don't want to stop or you want to stop. It's just doing what you love and keep on chasing your dream. And a lot of people go run until they're 37 and just enjoy what you do. But from a young athlete out there, you're going to face with a lot of challenges, trust me, especially track and field. We don't get paid like 350,000 a week like these footballers, you know. And I'm grateful for what the sports have given me and for what I've done in the sport, you know, and it took me out of poverty. You know, I grew up in a tough situation and sports was my way out. I wasn't the brightest in school and I didn't like school, to be honest. I'd have to work my way. I thank God my father and my mother could have seen and I could have helped them. And I want to reach out to you guys. Well, I'm driving, so you see my eyes up and down. I want to reach out to you guys and tell you that when you're faced against two walls, I want you to break through them. I want you to crush that wall, because it will make a satisfying story knowing the fact that what you have done hasn't come easy. Track and field, this minute you're up and the next minute you're down. It doesn't mean that anything going to be much easier. Jesus didn't say to follow me and it will be given to you. Jesus said, follow me, take up that cross, because bearing that load is not going to be an easy one. No matter how tough it may be, there's always a way. And yesterday while I was reading the Bible, and something come to me, and it's not easy to follow Jesus. It's not easy to take up that cross. And taking up that cross, it doesn't mean that anything going to be much easier. Jesus didn't say to follow me and it will be given to you.
So in context and general, that was literally Yohan Blake, and we all know who Yohan Blake is, right? He's one of the fastest Jamaican sprinter, not just the fastest Jamaican sprinter. In fact, in the whole wide world, Yohan Blake is the second fastest man. And we all know that Yohan Blake is someone who is very expressive. Like, he doesn't want to keep things to himself. And I love him for who he is. I love expressive people. I love people that will come out boldly and say what they want to say, irrespective of who is going to come against them or any stuff like that. So I love expressive people. And Yohan Blake happens to be one of those expressive people. He was literally talking about the fact that track and field is very, very hard. Making it in track and field is very hard, and how life has been treating him in general. Yeah, so that's it.